Hello, I'm Laura Morse with Ørsted U.S. Offshore Wind, and today I will be speaking to you about our offshore wind activities along the East Coast and the overlap with North Atlantic right whales. A little bit about Ørsted. We are the global leader in offshore wind with over 1,500 turbines spinning and 26 operational wind farms. We have industry-leading experience having installed and decommissioned the first offshore wind farm. We operate the first American wind farm as well as the world's largest wind farm, and we recently installed the first turbine monopiles in U.S. waters for Dominion Energy Seaval project off of Virginia. Ørsted's primary goal is to transform the global energy system to combat climate change through renewable energy solutions. This goal comes with a responsibility to do this in a sustainable manner. One of the key priorities is enabling sustainable growth, and we need to consider and address the potential social and environmental impacts of our activities. As such, Ørsted has developed a biodiversity policy that serves as a guiding document for all that we do. Ørsted entered the U.S. market in 2016 and has since grown its offshore portfolio along the U.S. East Coast, encompassing 5 lease areas with 5 awarded projects and 2 further projects in development. As shown on this slide, its clear offshore wind development along the East Coast overlaps with the migratory path of the North Atlantic right whale. Since 2017, Ørsted has been voluntarily reporting North Atlantic right whale sightings from our site investigation surveys. This slide summarizes the sightings to date, with 44 sightings of 66 animals seen over 24 different days. We have noted that few other detections are reported in the waters we survey, and despite a high level of non-industry vessel activity in the region. This highlights the value our PSOs play in contributing to the North Atlantic right whale sighting network. So what is Ørsted doing to address concerns around right whales? Deconflicting our activities with this iconic species as well as other endangered and protected species requires dedicated and informed effort. We endeavor to utilize best available information through regarded data sets, expert advisement, and a continuation of baseline surveys in addition to leveraging our own PSO data. It is also in Ørsted's nature to innovate, so achieving solutions through advancement of existing technology or development where there is a gap is important to us. The existing situational awareness system demands further innovation and advancement. In the next few slides, I will discuss how Ørsted is addressing that need. We are also forming strategic partnerships, are collaborating with ongoing regional research programs, and partnering with regional experts, including universities, nonprofits, and technology developers. Ørsted's Ocean Wind project has funded EcoPAM to advance existing tools for detection and prediction. Working with Rutgers, Hui, and URI, we have deployed 1 glider for 2 years off New Jersey and 2 Hui Demon buoys off New Jersey and the New England area. In addition, we plan to deploy a URI test buoy in 2021. The glider is fitted with a range of sensors, and that information will be used to develop and advance predictive habitat models for right whale presence. For the Hui and URI buoy efforts, we are supporting advancement of the sensor capability to be able to directionalize calls and better pinpoint whale positions. This project also aims to further integrate the monitoring outputs into existing informational systems. So what do you do then with the sightings, the detections, and the prediction outputs? You need to get the information into the hands of multiple users. This slide lays out the complex network and interfaces from a range of detection systems through multiple informational tools to multiple end users. My view is the developer's view, so that puts our vessels and observers in the center, bolded with blue. But you can see additional end users, including regulators, other mariners, and the general public. To aid in the informational share among this complex array of users, multiple informational tools have been developed, such as Mysticetus, which our PSOs use, primarily to share sightings between our vessels in real time, as well as other tools, including Whale Alert, Whale Map, and the NIMP Sighting Advisory System. Another new tool that's been developed on the West Coast is WhaleSafe, that also integrates a predictive habitat model and has a risk assessment output. This feature is something the EcoPAM project looks to build on the East Coast. So what do we need to do next? We need to continue to advance existing detection and informational systems to improve detection capability and location accuracy of whales, advance habitat forecasting capability considering real-time oceanographic conditions, and innovate where there's gaps like what we're doing with EcoPAM. And we need to do this in a cost-effective manner. We need to improve the integration overall, given the numerous informational platforms that exist, and avoid unnecessary duplication of systems. And finally, we need to speed up the information flow to the end users that need it through integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence. So that's all I have for you today, and thank you very much.